Hey everybody, it's Jenny, and I am back with you to share this week how I planned in my classic work happy planner. So if you're looking for my normal crazy designs, this isn't for you, but this is where I do some different things than I normally do in my regular planner. You can see I put that full big box sticker that's sort of meant for the weekends to cover 2 days, or maybe not the weekends, maybe just meant to cover 2 days, and I overlap it with that other sticker that is from the Today is the Day sticker book. I absolutely adore those. I've just never really had reason to use them, and I figured that it might work really well for me since I'm not using the weekends in my work planner because I'm not working on the weekends. Isn't that fantastic? So now I am going to set the week off with just a whole bunch of pink, which you could have probably told from those two stickers I placed in the weekend. And then I've used these two list making stickers on both Monday and Thursday, and then one in the top, one in the bottom. And that helps tie the two pages together, having both of those there. And then I will also use a third one, but that'll come in a minute. Now I'm just creating a cluster of small flowers right there, sort of giving that the last part of the three and the triangle, if you will, though it's a little loosely interpreted because since they're all touching and it's kind of a cluster, it's a little bit harder to make that out, but it's kind of the same idea, am I right? So now below that list from the full box sticker, I'm just using the little bullet points for three little bullets right there. And that's part of the thing with this work planner is that with the three boxes, I'm using two of them for complete function and then the third one for whatever I need or for decoration. So it's kind of one of those things that it gives me a lot of room. So you can see on Tuesday I did add a decorative sticker, like a full box, and then in the other two boxes I'll put the complete function for the work things that I need to do. Now I'm using sort of the pink color palette loosely in terms of I'm using all of the shades of pink. I'm not particularly using one or another. So you can see that those two flowers in those full boxes are a little more on the coral orangey side than that bottom one. But I feel like when it all comes together, it works out just fine. So now I'm using these clear sticker paper hearts, which I absolutely love. They look like they've been painted with like watercolor or some other paint, and they're just really fun. And no, it does not bother me in the slightest that they're not exactly perfect. And I know that does bug some of you, so I apologize if you're sitting there thinking, make those even. I'm going to use this stencil, which is super old from Scraptastic Club, no longer available. However, you could use the Happy Planner stencil, or I'm sure there are Amazon or Etsy shops that sell stencils that would work just great. I just happen to have this one in my stash, and so I don't see the need to buy a new one. And I think most of you can appreciate that. If I have something that works, I should just use it as opposed to buy something new. Am I right? It works great for me. Now again, adding more bullet points, and then the decorative sticker I used for Wednesday is just that little geotag, and I absolutely really love how that played out. You guys know I love me some white space anyway. It just works so much better for me and my planning style, and so just adding that geotag as decoration is like pretty much perfect because it's cute, it's small, and it works really well. Then again, adding another little decorative spot to Monday in the exact same idea. Some nice white space there, and it turned out really cute. Now, Thursday gets a little messed up. I really have some struggles there. I don't really just wasn't thinking, but you haven't seen it yet. So, anyway, spoiler alert, I guess. The Get It Done checklist, it's perfect. I don't know why I haven't used it in the past. It seems like it probably would have worked for 100 different weeks before now, but I'm really glad I didn't because it looks really super cute, and I am pulling out more of those triangle bullet points to add for Friday as well. Those look more even, don't they? Now, I love mixing and matching the different types of bullet points. I think it just keeps it more fun, and I love the combination of geometric and then slightly more, I don't know, I guess maybe soft or feminine. So I love the juxtaposition of the two together. So I could have just made it all about florals and, soft and watercolor, or I could have made it all really hard and geometric, but I feel like it kind of started at the very beginning on the weekend where I layered together the soft watercolor with the more geometric and linear stickers. And so then that was kind of the overall theme for the week, was mixing those two different types of things together. And I love it. So now you can see I have added some little clear stickers to, this is the mess up. I don't even need these stickers here. It was totally not necessary. So in the end, I'll end up moving these and that floral as well, just so I can lay out the work things that I track right there on Friday. But otherwise, I'm just going to remove the hearts and finish up a couple of things, and I am set. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.